So today we're going to be looking at another wonderful plugin. This plugin is by UJAM. The name of the plugin is called Dynamo. I have this loop here, courtesy of the Avid Stock Sounds. Really simple. So let's go ahead and open the plugin and let's take it out of bypass. Over here you have this Finisher knob. I could have fun with this plugin all day. Sure, this plugin has some presets, but we aren't going to look at those just yet. So we also have your input and your output. So let's go ahead and mess with pattern. And let's go to redundancy. Surplus. Tone. So let's go ahead and look at some of the presets.